CleanMyMac Smart Care equals 1E-click, guided, Apple notarized, all-in-one automation, cleanup plus malware scan plus maintenance. Competitors split into A, focus tools, App Cleaner, Daisy Disk, Gemini, B, budget all-in-ones, C Cleaner, Booho Cleaner, Cleaner One Pro, and C, power, free, system utilities, Onyx, terminal scripts. Choice depends on safety, control, features, and price. Headlines, best for convenience. CleanMyMac Smart Care automatic scans, safety database, guided fixes, polished UI. Good for non-technical users who want a single app. Best for control. Privacy. Onyx or manual macOS tools free. Deep access, no cloud telemetry, but technical and risky for novices. Best for value. Cleaner One Pro. Booho Cleaner lower price or freemium. Solid cleanup features without CleanMyMac's premium cost. Best for targeted tasks. Daisy Disk. Visualization. App Cleaner. Uninstall. Gemini. Vault sort duplicates. Advanced. Combine these for custom workflows. Fast, lightweight, granular. C Cleaner granular options and a free tier but less polished UI and fewer advanced extras. Feature comparison. Practical takeaways. Automation. Smart Care automates multiple useful tasks in one run. Competitors either automate less or focus on one area. Safety. CleanMyMac uses a safety database to avoid critical system files. Free tools like Onyx require user knowledge to avoid mistakes. Scope. CleanMyMac bundles cleanup plus malware plus maintenance plus uninstallers plus space lens. Most rivals cover fewer domains and may need multiple apps. Price. CleanMyMac tends to be pricier, subscription or one time, while many alternatives offer cheaper or free options. Resource use. CleanMyMac is feature-rich but more resource-intensive during scans. Lightweight tools, Daisy Disk, App Cleaner, use less CPU, RAM, which to pick decisions. If you want simplicity and a single vetted app, CleanMyMac Smart Care. If you want free, powerful maintenance and know what you're doing, Onyx plus built-in macOS tools. If you want best bang for buck for storage cleanup only, Daisy Disk plus App Cleaner or Cleaner One Pro. If you mainly need duplicate, photo cleanup, Gemini or Gemini plus Vault Sort, or dedicated duplicate finders. Short buying checklist, confirm notarization, Apple notarized status, prefer tools that preview deletions and offer undo trash behavior. Use a combination. Visualization, Daisy Disk, plus targeted uninstaller, App Cleaner, plus occasional Smart Care, Onyx maintenance depending on skill level.